garlic knots. Oh, now it records, right? Yeah, record me and stuff when I want my garlic knots and such.
Okay.
Bye bye. I'm like 8'4", blonde hair to the floaty shorties. Never thought I'd dream about rapping hardcore. No, I ain't got a gun. No, I've never been in clubs. Still live with my parents, but I'm still a thug. I'm so gangster, you can find me baking cookies and that. You out clubbing, but I just made caramel delight. T-Swift and T-Pain rapping on the same track. It's a thug story, tell me, can you handle that? I had a dream last night, I had hot top nights. I had diamonds in my mouth and diamonds on my mouth. By the time I woke, I was singing, I'm on the boat. Say it's her rapper, shorty wanna make her straight to the top. Yo, shorty, I'ma take ya. Come to T-Sweetie now, I'm a rap star. Hey, it's a thug story now, tell them who you are. Say you turn gangsta, you don't wanna fight me. Straight to the top in my extra small white tees with T-Pain rapping on the same track. It's a thug story now, can you handle that? What? And it's sweaters, yo. What? Don't test me. Hey, hold on, I didn't say anything.
What? I said yo.
Yeah.
You guys bleeped me and I didn't even say anything. I didn't even swear.
She didn't even swear. Hello?